Hello guys, today we are going to wash heavy clothes using the washing machine. And here are my clothes. They are the clothes for the adults and they are heavy. And I'm going to show you how to properly put them in the machine and put in the correct settings for the heavy clothes. So let's go and do it. The first thing that you do is you ensure that your clothes are in the correct order, meaning no cloth is inside out. Let your clothes be outside out and inside in. So after that, here is my load. You take one after the other, then you put in there like that. So that is my load, and as you can see, it is almost 3/4. I hope you guys can see clearly. It is almost 3/4 of the drum. Now I'm going to use the settings for the 3/4 here. As you can see, the soap, the powdered soap. So for the 3/4, I'll use level 6, and level 6 I'm going to use a full cup and some quarter powder. This is the measuring cup for the powder soap, but for me I'll use my tablespoonful as I had shown you earlier. So let's go and put our laundry soap, that is the washing powder. Open your soap dish. What is it called? Is it called the soap dish? You guys tell me. And then that is our first one. I'm going to use 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the heavy load, that's about 3/4. In terms of the table teaspoonfuls, you put 6, and it will wash your load clean. So that is that. I'll later on come and put the fabric softener here during the rinsing cycle. So let's do it like that, and then you cover or you close the lid, and here we come to the settings. Now for the settings, what you should do is, for that heavy load, the load that is 3/4, I said we shall use level 6 of water. So you switch on the machine, and then you go to the program, and since it is heavy, I'm going to use the strong and heavy. This will include the soaking cycle. So we select, there is our part. Now for the rinsing, I'm going to use only one rinse cycle. There you go. So for one rinse cycle, we have soaking, washing, rinsing, and spinning for the heavy wash here. And as you can see, it will take about 64 minutes. That's about an hour. So let's set the water level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the correct settings for a heavy wash for the clothes for the adults. So let's hit the start and let the washing begin. As you can see, it has started counting and the machine is now running. It will take about an hour, but in between we shall come and check. During the rinse cycle, we shall come and add this fabric softener. Remember, this is a top load washing machine, and that means you can pause at whatever time you want to add a load, or you can pause to check, or you can pause and add the detergent or the fabric softener. That's why I like the top load machine. So let the laundry wash. Our laundry is still washing, and as you can see, 40 minutes remaining, and I have come to check my laundry. So let's pause it and open the lid and peep inside. As you can see, the level is good and it is washing. So let's give it time and let it continue. So you close the lid and then you resume. There we go. So guys, it's already through with washing. It's now in the rinsing cycle. It's now getting in water. I want to pause and add the fabric softener. So let's do it. Here's our fabric softener that we're going to use. You pause. And there we go. There is our laundry. So I'm going to put one corkful into that for this load. There is our corkful of fabric softener. So you open this compartment. Like that, then close it. Then close the lid. And we click proceed. So it will get in the water and rinse it and then spin it dry. Guys, our laundry is done. You can see it is done washing. Let's check. Yeah, very well washed, rinsed and spinned. See, very clean, very clean. Hope guys you like this video, but do me a favor by liking it and also subscribing, and let's meet in the next video.